Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
Hey boy, eat!
Oh!
No. Freeze!
Oh!
Why you do it, John?
Oh, bumbo. That now go happen.
What's up guys, the boss Sanus coming in the building. Like, comment and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another?
Why you do it, John?
Bang! But as usual guys, right before getting it, just remember to like, comment, share and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway peeps, no more itching. Right into it! Alright peeps, so that one you know is pretty much a compilation of people that do meme and one bag of thing on a specific topic. So if y'all be living on the rock, here we go. A viral video got the other day with a constable, or probably 2 days, or 2 days ago. Yeah, anyway, about 24 hours ago with a police, you know what I mean? Him there eat ice cream between one lady leg and it leak and a bag of things are going. So, yeah, feel weird to talk about this. Yeah, so we have some compilation. Pretty much people just make fun of it and things. So this is a little short video with a little compilation of one bag of things. So we hope you enjoy it. Remember to smash on that like button. Yeah, I know I'm gone for a while. Only didn't know say but I go through some whole heap of things. Watch a previous video and you will understand a bag of things. But we there now. I get the pot bubbling and thing. But no more itching. Make we get right into the video. Woo!
The latest what we get from the police and the communication network team. And the wife searching phone and find the video and send it out. And the wife do it. And the wife send out the video. She go down for and send out the dress.
One thing is certain, as bad as thing be, them never get Skatta yet. It's a man when I hide him thing. It's a man that show you say him have a ranking mouth and 2 horny lip. So nobody can expose him. You understand? Nobody can leak nothing with him. Cause any leaking where them have a leak, them have to promote him mouth. You know what I mean? And you don't know one big freak dread. In hide him thing. He not smile again. With the pain where we feel, Skatta will not again. Bow dread, we know your thing.
This is a message to Officer Riley Front. You see if your wife no want you, me a make space down a yard for you. A matter of fact, me a put out the rasta man with me am tonight. Space a make down your for you so you can come. Now listen to a bag of man them where run off them out. Actually for them tape no release yet. Enough of them do it. Eh? We women love you. We should have hold hand and build a wall around you. Use a rare species. You understand? So, no fret yourself. You understand? Make your wife just say and see if me no come for you. You understand? You need to be protected and loved and cared for. It's very say brother when me see you go so. Me say all me do then girl. I mean I don't know about like a dead one. Jesus. You give me shivers.
Your own. Leave my business, mind your own. And as you make it back in on my comfort zone, so what? If I wanna eat the kitty cat, so what? You want put me in down the frack, so what? My youth, better you stop chat. You a bun cat and a climb for man back, so what? If I wanna give a girl a blow, so what? If I wanna bend down low, so what? If me want she curl up her toe, and my mouth that you feel up. Remember, me never tell you say me did eat the meat. Never tell you say me put my head on the sheet. But it is your business. If me want to it, but you a complain if I wanna be a freak. And if you even did to ear permit it, I know for you wanna for me eat. Oh, you a look so far, me gonna see it. Eat, I must in my mouth to a bit. So what? If I wanna eat the kitty cat, so what? If I want to put my head on the so what?
I coulda want make this squad is so hungry. Coulda want make this squad is so hungry. Look like JC if not pay them no money. Want make this squad him so hungry. Squaddy and them have the whole of the vicinity. Everywhere squaddy going money hungry belly. He not even take a breath for ease up you see. Squaddy the inner the thing and them it deadly. Squaddy, I will make you so hungry. I may say I will make the squaddy.
The modern youths then, you know what I mean? You have someone describable stomach. I'm warning them, no eating off the buff.
Forget about the police, man. Forget about the police.
Somebody must have an extraordinary meal after warning. I tell him, no eating off the buff. The girl asked him how it tastes and he said, no, it's.
You know? Alright with that.
Squaddy get catch on the phone. He might put it in him nose. Ungo thing, left him suck a toes. Inna the jeep, inna the police clothes and Squaddy get catch on the phone. Squaddy get catch on the phone. Brr. Squaddy get catch on the phone and my glad said the tape go out and it blow up. Ungo thing, left him suck a toes. Inna the jeep, inna the police clothes and me hear saying I church him preach. Or him wife I go feel when she see it. Wonder if she get weak in the knees. Him all I say it all tastes like cream. Me no want no more ice cream. In ice cream and the I speak. Uncle Dairy product me a I cheese. Tell Uncle Rat say let me through please.
No.
The boy in the on the ends, fine. Yo.
Oh! Somebody! Oh!
I can explain. Let me explain now, dad. Let me explain. Alright, peeps. I really hope you enjoyed that little short video there and thing. Let me know your thoughts on the whole matter. You know what I mean? Each his own. You know what I mean? Whatever happening in a man's bedroom and where him want that are between him and his wife and thing. I'm not here to judge anybody. Each his own. You know what I mean? 7 different brother, as them say, 7 different mind. You know what I mean? So big up on yourself. We hope you enjoy the video. Make we chat. Cause it's been a little while, but you know what I mean? But a month now and thing. But we're there. Remember to check out the merch. The link there, I got it down there. So also to check out the merch. Support the boy. You know what I mean? We're there. We're not gone. Yeah, check out my gaming channel too. Down there so too. Thank you very much for watching. Big ups yourself. And just go and journey with your boy. Whoop.
No matter how the time get hard, man, I go flip the paper. Like COVID could slow, we don't go stop the bricks for later. Fire the devil cause it real and you're not Mr. Maker.